This sound is known worldwide. But how is this energy drink made on a massive scale?
It all starts with perfectly pure, demineralized water.
Key ingredients like taurine and caffeine arrive in pure, powdered form.
Sugar is dissolved to create a precise syrup base. In a sealed vat, all ingredients are blended together with perfect accuracy.
Essential B vitamins are added to the formula.
The drink is then carbonated, giving it its signature fizz.
Every batch is tested in the lab to match the exact secret formula.
Meanwhile, cans begin as huge rolls of aluminum. These cups are stretched and ironed to form tall, thin cylinders. The aluminum is punched and formed into small cups. Cans are washed and coated inside to protect the drink's taste. They are printed with the iconic design and dried instantly. The finished drink is filled into cans at incredible speed, without air. A lid is placed and hermetically sealed in less than a second. Quickly cooled and dried, ready for packaging. Each can gets coated for freshness and traceability.
Every single can is X-rayed to ensure perfect fill and safety.
They are gently pasteurized to guarantee quality and longevity. Cans are grouped and wrapped into the familiar multi-packs. Robots pack them into boxes for shipping. Boxes are stacked onto pallets with precision.
The final product, ready to give wings around the world.
From precise science to iconic energy, made in a mega factory.
If you enjoyed this energy drink factory tour, subscribe for more secrets of how things are made.